Let's see how hard the crash is. The car is actually totaled, but the owner still chooses to repair it. Because it's still more convenient and reassuring for commuting in the city, it's also very comfortable to drive. No more chit-chat. Let's get to work. Remove the front headlight. Remove the collision prevention beam. The horizontal beam facing upwards towards the mountains. The engine mounts are all broken. There are too many shots, so the video of removing the engine will be skipped. Remove the hood. Remove the wiper. Easy to disassemble for sale. It's a bit deformed, just bend it back a little. The area that was tapped should be coated with a ring date. Reassemble before finalizing. The left beam was pulled a bit and is slightly crooked. Please tap it a bit more, thank you. It has to be removed and replaced with a new one. Start the repair. The right side rotated to a point and suddenly became hard to lift. Push the weld point away. This piece of fabric needs to be replaced, so it has to be hammered out. Weld it back to its original position. Removing the confinement board gives a bit of a hint. The three main lights have empty weld points. Start the assembly. Weld along the diameter. Times you got. Compare with the bracket on the radiator. Compare with the water bottle holder below. Reinstall the large beam on the west side. Install the front collision beam. Install the mudguard. The gaps are fine. Start comparing the headlights. Install it and tighten fully. Install the bumper bracket. Compare with the front bumper. Compare with the grille. Overall, it's still quite good. The weld points are coated with epoxy primer. Spray paint. The video is too long, and the engine installation caused cracks. Dust removal spray paint. Start spraying the interior. Start spraying gloss paint. Especially, it's still quite shiny. Start assembling all the parts and install the headlights. Install the speaker. Install the protective frame. Install the front bumper. Install the ventilation system. Install the hood seal. Install the heat shield. Stick the label firmly. Stick it firmly onto the car frame. Install the front windshield. Install windshield wipers. Finish the vehicle handover. Thank you all for watching. Give a like, subscribe to the channel, and remember to leave a comment below.